Hey guys, it's Anthony with the Rag Company, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wanting to know more about this. So we're going to be talking about rags to riches and more in today's FAQ video. All right, so you guys saw that we released our microfiber detergent in collaboration with P&S Chemicals. But what makes rags to riches so good? Why does this actually exist? Well, for the longest time, when people asked us how to wash their microfiber towels, we've always recommended using a free and clear detergent with a little bit of white vinegar in the fabric softener port to release during that final rinse cycle and give your towels a little bit of extra clean. Now, in most recent years, the use of spray sealants has gone through the roof. People are using ceramic spray sealants, they're using polymer spray sealants, they're using harder waxes with resin than ever before. And what's happening is that's begun to clog up those microfiber towels, because during the drying process, they like to give it a couple spritzes, take their nice big drying towel, wipe it up, and leave a clean finish behind. Now, what's actually happening is that those sealants are getting caught in that microfiber towel. They're hardening within that microfiber towel, thus making that towel hydrophobic and just pushing water around from then on out. Now, there wasn't really a whole lot of things you can do to fix that other than soak those towels in an APC or go through multiple washes to try to break down whatever was in there until this. So Rags to Riches was designed to not only clean your microfiber towels and to remove light staining, but to also reverse the hydrophobic effects caused by spray sealants. So it's very simple, guys. It's 1 to 2 ounces in your wash load. So we tell people 1 ounce for a normal soiled towel, something that you've used to wash your car's exterior or interior. And then for heavily soiled towels, we recommend 2 ounces. And that's gonna give it a little bit extra punch, and that's going to definitely break down the hydrophobic effects and also remove some deeper stains within those towels. So what's cool about this bottle right here is that it's very easy to use and to measure things out. When it comes to measuring, we're not all chemists, and I totally get that. That's why this bottle exists. All you have to do is simply squeeze this bottle and it'll fill half to a full ounce, and then you just pour that into your washer. That's it. That's literally as easy as it comes. Now, what if you have extremely hydrophobic towels? What do you do then, right? That's when the pre-soak comes into play. So you could take 1 ounce to 2 ounces of this product and put it into a couple gallons of water. Take those extremely hydrophobic or extremely dirty towels and soak those within that bucket for a couple hours, maybe a day and a half. Really kind of just depends on how fast or how embedded that product is within that towel. We typically let them soak for a half a day to a full day, and they come out cleaner feeling than ever before. You can actually feel the difference within the towel once you pull them out of that hydrophobic solution that you've basically created, right? Removing all that spray sealant and all that dirt and grime. Another cool thing that we've seen in all of our testing, and even in customers that have sent us photos, is all of the dirt and residue that this actually pulls out during that pre-soak process. It is very, very cool, and you'll see what I'm talking about if you pre-soak your extremely dirty towels. It literally just takes it all out and then just soaks it in that water, and you see it, and that water looks murky and disgusting and will probably haunt your dreams, but it fixes the problem, so that's good. And then from there, you're just gonna take your towels, throw it back into the washer, put a little bit of this in there, and do a full cycle. Now, when it comes to washing, we always recommend washing with cold or warm water, hot water in certain circumstances. If they're extremely filthy, or they are just utility towels or dirty jobs towels, hot water is fine. But the drying process is going to be the most important, and that's when you just want to dry the towels on a low to no heat or hang dry them, right? You don't want to do high heat because that's going to melt the fibers on those towels, and you're going to basically reverse all the effects that this detergent actually has. So hopefully that's been helpful, guys. This is really good stuff. This is something that we've worked so long on, and thanks to P&S for working with us and making this fantastic product. So rags to riches, everybody. Pick yourself up a bottle. So as always, hopefully you guys found this video educational and or entertaining. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rag Company.